Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can enable NSFW on Grok. So it's very simple and easy, but first up you need to go to App Store and you just need to search up Grok and just make sure that your Grok is updated. If it needs any update, just make sure it's up to date. Now after that, just open up Grok app, and once you open it up, you'll see its main interface like this, and it will ask you, now you gotta press on these two horizontal lines on the top corner. Once you press on them, it will show something like this, and right over here you need to press on the gear icon on bottom. Once you press on it, you'll see some options, but you just need to scroll down and you'll see the option of NSFW preferences. So you simply need to press on that, and then its website will open up, and then right over here you'll see the option of allow NSFW content, and make sure that you're 18 plus. Just simply enable that and then press save. Now open Grok again, and here you go. Now you have enabled NSFW on Grok. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.